see. Right. Aryan, can you hear me loud and clear?
Yes.
Okay, good. I can see your video very well also and very fast. Excellent. But this is probably that's probably social studies.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, yes, Aryan. Okay, I'm seeing a blank paper. Give me some updates and what do you want to study today?
Today I think I'll study EMATH set.
EMath set. All right. Okay. You have been learning set for around, I don't know, a week maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we just started on Monday.
I see. All right. Okay. Just briefly, how is AMath?
EMATH is fine, manageable.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So the holiday tuition, you don't follow much, right? But it is still, the holiday tuition is still more than what your teacher is covering?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's the expectation. But AMath being AMath, don't be too confident. Yeah? Whenever
Yeah.
there is a problem, we clear it up so that it will always be good. Yeah, it will always be good. Okay, so that's good to know. And you haven't been asking physics, so what's happening?
Oh, physics we just started sound.
I see, I see. All right, no big problem so far.
Yeah, not a big problem. It's just related to general wave properties a lot. So since I found that easy, this is also going. It's pretty manageable.
Good, good. Now for EMath, you're learning sets. You want to learn sets. So, what do you want? A quick discussion, asking questions, clarifying something?
Yeah, I'll be doing a few questions.
Okay, all right. Jamboard, please then. Mhm. Are you looking for the questions?
Yeah, looking for a question.
Sure thing. The questions are in the laptop or the soft copy, is it?
The questions are in the textbook.
I see. I see. All right. Is it homework?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Right. It is on the textbook. Yeah. I might need to see the question. Yeah. I might need to see the question just to take a screenshot.
Sorry?
I might need to see the question.
Okay.
Oh God.
Oh, Mike, you're in. All right. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Show me your video. I didn't realize that.
I need to set up.
Sure. Oh, a lot of people are in. Oh my goodness. Okay, Ryotaro, I didn't realize they're in. Huh? Sorry, today no waiting room. All right, Ryotaro, how are you?
Okay.
All right. Have you been waiting long? Sorry.
Oh, no, I just like 10 seconds.
All right.
I,
Okay.
yeah.
Good. Good. All right. Okay. Thank you, Aryan, for sending me. Okay.
There's two more.
Yes. Yes, Mike.
I didn't ask anything.
Oh, sorry. Mike, you know what you want to study today, yeah? Is it still the AMAT or is it something else?
Just email.
EMAT, right. What about EMAT?
Have like homework on sets and whatnot.
Right. So the AMAT
Right.
assignment is finally submitted lah.
Yeah.
Okay, understand. Let's get back to that, when we have time or when the time is right. Okay, so for all of you, again, I will be needing Jamboard. Yeah.
I think
Ryotaro,
I'm pretty okay.
with
Chain rule.
chain rule. You're talking about AMAT. Okay, sure.
No, but like chain rule, I'm pretty okay. No, but EMF, no, I'm still doing EMF today.
Right. Chain rule, I believe you. We have been practicing that lah. Anyway lah. So, but for AMAT, although our expectation is there is no problem, that's not always true, right? So whenever there's a small problem, you should ask and clear it immediately. Then your AMAT will be good lah. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Needless to say, you have to follow the exercises from the school because I won't be giving you. If you don't do that, you will be not equipped for exam. Same thing. You still need exercise. Okay, so Jamboard from everybody. Aryan, I'm not seeing the Jamboard yet.
Yeah, I'll share with you.
Okay. Yes, Noah. Okay, I can see you, Noah. All right. Video, please. Yeah. Jamboard also. Now, Ryotaro, what should be studied today?
AMAT.
Okay, what is AMAT on?
I have test like next week, and it's some of the topics are from last year, so I want to practice circles.
This is almost like a repetition of the last exam.
Oh, but last exam I didn't really practice. Maybe like a few only. I didn't really, and some more it didn't even come out in the end.
Good. All right. Your school is kind of obsessed with the past at this point.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will be some trigo because the circles is not enough.
Yep. The trigo is not the past lah, right? Are you sure you don't want to practice? Are you sure you want to practice circle?
Yeah, I don't want to wait too long.
Fine. I'll follow you then. You should have some question. If not, please tell me. Yeah? Right. So Aryan, I cannot see what you're doing, but you're doing page question 3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll follow you, and if you have problem, please tell me. Yeah. Your A is an empty set. I see your point. I see your point. You should be writing E equals to that. Just for presentation purpose, big E equals to that, please.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just presentation purpose. Noah, are you okay?
I'm setting up.
All right.
the thing.
Okay. Okay. I have Noah's Jamboard. So Mike and Rio, I'm just waiting for both your Jamboard. Yeah. I think your handphone is acting up again. So I think he just resetted everything. I think.
No, I have to take
Oh,
picture. So
okay.
you always, yeah.
Sure thing. Okay. Yep, should try D first, right? All right. Okay, good.
I'm not sure about C.
All right, so let's understand it just very clearly, Ariana. I think just a reading issue. So quadrilateral, what does it mean by quadrilateral?
Or like figures with more than 4 sides.
More than 4, you mean? You're saying?
Yeah, more than 4.
No. It's a shape with 4 sides. Quadrilateral. Quad. Okay, so 4 sides. Okay. Arian? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So 5 vertices. Do you know what's vertices?
Is it the corner?
Yes, the corners. You're correct. Is there any quadrilaterals with 5 corners? Right?
I don't think so.
If you don't think so, we may be right, may be wrong, but we'll just do an empty set again, right? As you can tell, sets are in this case not so much on sets. This is more like our past knowledge or experience or reading of the question. It is not so much of a set question right now. So still a good practice, yeah? Right. Please continue to the next one if you're comfortable. Noah, you are continuing from Tuesday, is it? Noah, don't mute, please. Right, Noah, don't mute, please. Okay.
Yeah.
Any problems so far? No.
No.
Okay, understand. Mike, can we start? Are you
Yeah.
also? Right.
I need to find the exact questions because I forgot. So I was just like texting my friend.
Right, sure thing. Mm-hmm.
Wait, I gotta go get my phone.
Okay.
Want to say this? Like, can I like? I'm gonna turn off the camera because I need to exit the Zoom application.
Sure. Question 8. Yeah, okay. Question 8.
Teacher,
Yes.
for R,
Yep.
for is that R, is the only number in it 1?
Okay, let's think about it, right? Because he say positive integer less than 5, so you only have 1, 2, 3, 4 lah, I suppose, yeah. Out of them, yeah, the only perfect cube is 1 lah, because you know 1 and then 8, right? And then 27. So I believe you're correct. Right, Rio, you're sending me a picture, but you can put it in the Jamboard yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Aryan, okay so far, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. Noah, okay so far? Noah, okay so far?
Yeah.
All right. Mike, which questions are you going to do? You should, okay,
Yeah.
right, okay.
So,
So you're doing it on paper, right? Which is great. Let's discuss lah immediately lah when you have a question.
yeah, sure.
Mhm.
Can I move my thing
Mm.
away for now, and then I'll
Yes.
just move it back
Um,
because I got no space.
Okay, maybe I'll just do this. Just shift to the left a bit, then I can copy paste 5, 7. I can copy paste everything, right? I can everything. Just place it nicely. I copy paste once, then settle. Okay, that's nice. Let's freeze a bit. It's sorry, a bit lagging. Please wait. Okay, the view is a bit lagging. Let's wait. Yeah, I think it's looking good. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture of that. Hopefully it works. Okay, all right, okay. So I'll follow you. You don't have a Jamboard, right? So please do.
No, I sent one to you.
I cannot see it. That's so weird. So weird. For some reason, I cannot see it. That's so weird. No, I cannot see it.
Let me try sending it to you again.
All right. Aaron, are you doing question 10 now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I got it, Mike. Right. So you please continue. Yeah, please continue doing. We'll probably be dealing with a lot of language issues lah. So the first few times we are dealing with set notation, it's not a new math topic. It's more like a new language, how to write the notation and everything. So we get the hang of that first. Okay. So Mike, looking at your Jamboard, do you know what this weird symbol means?
Which one?
This thing.
Hold on, let me close my tabs. Which one?
Oh.
Yeah, that's the universal set.
Very good, very good. Okay, just
Still don't know what it means though. So
you don't know what that represents. What does universe means?
set can just mean any set. So
You're fair. Universe is a special notation used to describe this. So when you finally get to drawing stuff, yeah, usually I think right now you're not drawing stuff, so I'm just gonna show it to you lah. So the universe means there is nothing else beyond the universe, at least in the question. So the universe will be the box, and the set will be the circle inside the box. Nothing else is outside the box. Everything that we want to talk about in this question will be only inside the box. That's the whole universe, so to speak. Okay. Even though obviously there are other letters rather than complement, but for the purpose of this question, there will no longer be any letter besides complement. Okay. But I think that's making more sense when you're trying to draw. So go ahead. Right. So Ryotaro, you no. I think at this point you're not supposed to draw. I don't think you're reaching there yet.
no, I already reached the Venn diagram.
The Venn diagram, yeah, but I don't think. Oh, you are supposed to draw. You are supposed to draw. You are supposed.
But just list one.
No, part C. Part C, you're supposed to draw.
Oh yeah.
Ryotaro, I'm not seeing your Jamboard.
I didn't share it to you yet.
All right. If you could
No,
share.
that was the question.
Right. Are there any problems so far?
No.
All right. Can I see the R and the notation, the 0/ notation? Can I see that for a while? Your answer. First thing first, the 0/ you actually slash it wrongly. It's in the other direction. I mean, it's a
Oh.
language thing here, so you kind of want to fix that. Right. Yeah. I think you have to redraw. Yeah. Okay. Good. Show me a bit. I cannot see it. Move above. Move above. Move above this. Move above. I cannot see it. Move above. Yeah. Good. So Q. Yeah. So Q is not. Again, the slash is wrong in the not equal to. Yeah. It's a language, so I think you have to use the right slash. Yeah. Okay. Again, just a language problem. So. Mike, the universe language should be inside the box. Again, this is a language thingy. Yeah.
She said
Mike,
the teacher said outside the box.
I am going to
Like
follow.
literally like here in the top right hand, exactly
Yeah, I'm
here.
going to follow your teacher. I'm going to follow your teacher first. Right? No problem. So try to draw the A and A prime line, basically. So let's see.
So she said like you put the circle.
A circle is fine. A circle. It doesn't have to be a circle, but circle is pretty much fine. Yeah. So Ryotaro, tell me when. Oh yeah, you shared. No, any problems so far?
Not yet. No, I mean,
So Mike, language again now. How are you supposed to label the A? Because you are supposed to label the A. Labeling the A comes.
She said outside also. Like
Yes,
literally.
outside. That one, yes. And are you supposed to label A prime?
No.
Okay, good. Now for the element, okay, for the element, let's say that you're true. Does your teacher say something like you must put a dot next to the left of every letter or every element?
No.
Okay, so language again, language. Just follow your teacher for now. That's fine. That's fine. You will he say anything about repeat? Yeah. Yeah. No.
What do
Yeah.
I do with this E? I mean, like I know this is a repeat, but like, what do I do with this?
Yeah. So I think first thing first, if you want to, so did he talk? Did he say anything about repeats?
I do not remember.
Oh dear. Oh. I'm gonna answer you in 2 minutes, right? Please do the other one first. Oh, this is going to be troublesome, right? Okay. Before that, Noah, any problems so far?
I don't think so.
All right. Mike, sorry, Mike. Ryotaro, okay so far? Oh, it's an EMAT circle. When you say you want to practice circle, you mean the EMAT circle, Ryotaro?
Yeah, because the length of arc, that on all the stuff I forget already. So I wanna
Right.
yeah.
Do you want to ask something at this point?
No, I'm still just looking at textbook because
Right. Sure thing.
I look at formula. Yeah.
Okay. Right. So Mike, please continue with the other questions. Please, Aryan, are you okay so far?
Yes.
Okay, good. Oh.
Other questions?
Yeah, please continue your homework first. Let's continue. Let's do like I think question 7, right? That's question 7. That's question 9. Oh, then I cut the question 7.
Question 7A. Yeah, so yes, I find it.
Supposed to what? I missed that.
It's fine, I guess. So A is just
All right.
express sets A and B by listing the elements.
Sure thing. All right.
Part B is draw another Venn diagram to represent the sets.
Same thing. Okay.
Universe A and B.
Okay. Please give it a try, and then
What's
I mean,
what does it mean by express? Just
could you repeat the complete sentence? Sorry.
it says express the sets A and B by listing their elements.
By the what? Sorry.
By listing their elements.
When they say express by listing, it looks exactly like this. Like this is listing. Like for example, this is listing. That's listing. Something like that. Yeah, that's listing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so not drawing then, I suppose. Yeah, that's why.
Yeah.
Right. No, I cannot follow you very well, but are you okay? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I
Yeah.
see the next question. I might have a question on it.
Okay. Good to know.
I'm confused.
Yes. Which part are you?
Question 7. So like it says list the thing, right? The elements. But then set A is 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So what is an element in this?
Right. So in the case of listing the element, please notice this. I'll use question 6 and 5 example. This is listing it. This is also listing it. So far so good. Can you?
Yeah.
This is not listing it. This is not.
Yeah.
This is writing it in a way that you have to think forward. So for question 7, for the universe, just to be clear, is the universe being listed or not?
Yeah.
But A and B?
No.
You have to think about it. So in the case of A and B, the member is actually the X value or values. But the X value is not expressed in a way that is expressed in a way that you have to think about it. So make a guess, what are you supposed to do to actually find the appropriate members?
Find the appropriate members.
Yeah, this is not listing the appropriate members. This is not. This is giving you a hint, just like this one.
So do you want me to solve the quadratic equation?
Then you can list the members, if that makes sense. Would that make something like that? Again, look at this part. I just give you an example. So here's A and here's B, right? In question 11, right?
Yeah.
Is that listing or is that giving you a hint?
That's just giving me a hint.
Yeah, you get the point. Huh? So there are 2 ways to do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Solve A and B lah. Should be easy. What's the problem? No.
Okay. This is the question.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a picture, right? Okay. Yeah. So the way the first line, the first step that you do is fine. So what is the question actually?
What do you mean the range of values of t for which
Right.
the derivative? Yeah.
So your derivation or derivative is great. Now look at 60 plus 5. Imagine that the t is x, lah, right? Imagine that. And imagine that the dv dt is y. So now you have y equals to 6x plus 5. Doesn't that remind you of a certain shape?
Okay.
So, what? Sorry, a what?
Okay. I said.
Sorry, a what? A what shape? Sorry, I cannot hear.
Oh no, I just said okay.
Oh yeah, then what is the shape?
It's just a line.
Yes, because it's 6y mx plus c lah. So I
Yeah.
challenge you to now draw the graph, draw the line, sorry, so that you know how to answer. Please draw. Then you're okay. Ryotaro, just checking that you are okay.
Yeah.
All right. Any questions, please call me.
Yeah.
Mike, you're okay so far?
Yeah.
Why are you stuck in factorizing? Why are you stuck in factorizing? Why? Why?
Huh? What?
Why are you stuck at factorizing?
Huh? I'm not stuck.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, I thought you're staying a bit too long. You're using the formula. I don't want. Too fast, too slow. Wait, too slow, Mike. Too slow. Mike, too slow.
Huh?
Too slow.
Too slow.
Yeah. Use the calculator to make sure that it's going to be an ugly number first. If it is not an ugly number, this is too slow.
If it's not an ugly number.
It is not an ugly number, so you don't need formula.
No, I need to write it down.
True, or there is a secondary way of dealing with a factorization that gives you non-ugly numbers.
I don't know how to cross the thing, so.
Fine.
X1 equals 3, X2 equals half.
Looking good to me.
So it's just 2x minus 1.
If you decided to go the other route, in this case, you don't need to go. You can just immediately write half or 1 because you already written the formula. So we just go at it and write half or 1. Which half or 1? That doesn't sound right. Half or 3, right? So half or 3. Am I correct?
Half of 3.
Half or 3, right? That should be the. Should be. Yeah. Sorry. Half or 3. You can immediately write it down.
Yeah. Hold on.
Right. So Noah, back to you. Negative, right? Does drawing the line give you a better understanding of the range?
No.
Right. Now, first thing first, you are not to write down y equals to 6x plus 5. You are to write dv dt equals to 6t plus 5, right? Because that's the original thing in the line, and also label the y and x not as y and x lah. You should label it as dv dt and label it as t.
Okay.
God.
Yes, Mike.
Is set e5 to the power of x squared.
Set e5. Sorry.
Set b.
B.
Of question 7. Set 5
And
to
you
the power of
solve
x squared.
5 to the power of x squared. It does look like that to me. It's a bit unfocused on my side, but it looks like that to me. Your drawing is fine, no? So yeah, it looks like that to me, and you are supposed to solve that in this question. As you can tell, this is not a set. This is like, okay. So now Noah, he's telling you a big hint. Probably for a certain the value will be positive, and for a certainty the value will be negative.
Yeah.
Whose value is he talking about? Just to be clear.
T.
You mean dv dt, yeah? You mean dv dt.
Oh, okay.
Right? Because that's what he's saying.
Oh, yeah.
The values of t for which dv dt is negative. So there must be some sort of positive lah.
Yeah.
Doesn't the line kind of give you an idea?
Okay.
Yeah. So if you need to find something, find it now so that you can, you can answer the question.
Okay.
Sorry, Noah?
How to do it?
If you need to find something before you can answer the question, you can find that something.
I don't know how to find.
From where to where is the dv/dt positive, and from where to where is the dv/dt negative?
Positives here, negatives here.
From where? Be very precise. From where?
Here.
Noah, I don't want you to think like this. I don't like it. The question is from where, which is t. You're pointing t at equals to 0, right? That's what you're pointing. Is the dv/dt positive and the dv/dt negative? You look at that. Are you sure that is the border of which dv/dt is positive and negative? The dv/dt, the y-axis.
5.
Noah, you are much better than this. The dv/dt is the y-axis value, right?
Yeah.
At t equals to 0, the value of dv/dt is
5.
So at t equals to less than 0, slightly less than 0, what is the value?
Less than 5.
Is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Slightly less than 5. Point.
Positive still.
Yes, Noah, you're better than this. Please find the proper border where the dv/dt crosses from positive to negative or negative to positive. Find that proper border, please.
Okay.
I will leave you. You're better than this, Noah. I will leave you to think about it visually. Visually, no formula is going to help.
Okay.
Mike, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Mike. Have you confirmed your answer? Have you
Have I
confirmed your
confirmed?
answer? Have you confirmed your answer? You confirm your answer, please. I'm not okay with the please confirm. Ryotaro, are you okay?
A bit struggling, but I'm still
Where?
reading the question.
Okay, sure.
Page 3.
But please ask for help.
Okay.
Aryan, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Noah, are you confused?
Yeah.
I'm not okay with your confused at all. I'm totally not okay. This is probably much easier than what you're thinking. Probably. I don't like it at all. Now tell me something about a line. Is a line limited or is a line infinite in length?
Keeps going.
So could you please keep going the line? Would you please draw the line as long as possible? Okay, looks good to me. Are you getting the hint?
I don't think so.
At which point does the dv/dt start to become positive? And at which point does the dv/dt start to become negative? Look at this line.
When 0 becomes negative.
When t equals to 0, that's what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
I don't like the way you think about it visually. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. You have to understand why it is wrong.
Okay.
Look at your Jamboard.
Okay.
Wait, aren't I correct though?
Again, Mike, whatever answer you're doing, you'll get an answer. Let's say that this is an answer, you'll get something. Then confirm the answer. I don't like your index. Time to fix your index. I don't like it at all.
Try to fix my index.
Look, just do something here. X squared equals to 3x. You have some doubt, right? find an answer, and if the answer is wrong, do something else. Your index is not good at all at this point. No. So you're saying that, Noah, this is where the dy, the dv dt becomes positive or negative. So this must be the point where it becomes positive or negative, right? That's what you're saying, right?
Yeah.
Look at this point, the neighboring point. Is the dv dt positive or negative? The neighboring point,
Positive.
right? Then here is another neighboring point. Is that neighboring point positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, correct?
Yeah.
The dv dt is positive. I know the t is negative. You keep pointing to a point where the t is positive and negative, but the dv dt both is positive. Are you sure you're looking at? Are you sure you're looking at a point where the dv dt changes from positive to negative, not the t changes from positive to negative? Do you understand? No?
Okay.
Right? Please
Then,
visually
yeah.
identify the point where the dv dt changes from positive to negative, or vice versa.
God.
Okay?
But
Are you
it's
okay,
just-
Noah? Do you understand? Do you understand, Noah?
Yeah. Okay.
Right? Clear, right? So, Mike, that's 5 to the power. Oh my goodness. To be fair, your method is, to be fair, your answer is not wrong. To be fair. That's my greatest concern. That is my greatest concern. Your, can I see your method again?
Huh?
Can I see your method again? Yeah, this time your method is correct. Sorry, this time your method is correct. This time your method is really correct. Nah, to be fair, your answer is correct and your method is correct. It's great. I like it. Very good. Except that no. Except that you miss another answer because yeah, that's the problem. That is the problem. It is except that you miss another answer because of that. So this is similar to the trigo question where you get the correct answer, but you miss another answer. So the answer is incomplete.
What's the method to use to get both answers?
First, I'll make your method perfect first because it is already on the right track. So I guess I want to like your method. I want to like it. So I'll just make it perfect. Page 2 here. So please look at how I proceed from here. I'll call this correct. I'll call this correct. So yeah, there's no other way but to do this. Anyway, this is 1, right? Since this is 1, this is 3. Sorry, I'll call this correct. So I'll proceed from here. Right? I'll proceed. X squared minus 3x equals to 0. Right? So x minus 3 equals to 0. Right? Understand?
Oh,
So I'm doing
X
something
equals to
slightly
0,
different.
X
Yeah,
minus
there's x
3.
equals to 0 and then x equals to 3. So you're missing this guy.
Oh, okay.
If you put it as 0, you can see why it is also correct. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, I won't complain. Your method is great. Just make it more complete. You're just missing something, basically. Just missing. Yeah, I won't complain. You're doing fine. You're doing great. Your index is great. You make it as a log. I don't complain. You're great. I like it. Ryotaro, are you stuck?
Yeah. Wait, actually, yeah.
Noah, you're great. Noah, you're great. Yes. So
Just like
tell
this.
me, ask me what's the question. Your answer is great, Noah. I like it now. Do you understand where you're wrong?
Oh, okay.
Right? You understand? You identify the wrong point, basically.
Okay.
Understand? Huh? You're confusing P with dvdt. Yeah. So yeah, obviously you. Yeah, that's great. Yes,
Okay.
Ryotaro, please ask me what is your problem. Let me help you.
What's the purpose of giving us the 5 cm?
A very big purpose, because you probably have to find the, yeah. So this step to this step to this step is the purpose of finding this volume, right? Can you find the area
Yeah.
of segment ABC, which is here, if they don't give you 5? Can you do that? Can you actually do that? Can you? If you don't have, you don't need the 5, go ahead and try. In fact, for question A, I think you're already needing the 5. That's what I feel like. At least that's what I feel. You already need the 5.
Oh,
If you don't have the 5,
okay.
I don't think you can find A or B also. Is that enough hint?
Yeah, I can try.
All right, give it a try. Okay, so Mike, so you settle the A and the B lah, right? Again, some of it are language problems, some of it are just a revision issue. Now, well, I hope you can answer the question because I cannot see the question after this. I cannot. Aryan, are you okay so far?
Yeah.
Okay. I better put this thing. Okay, I'm not sure I'm following your question. So, where are you right now? Are you at the third photo that you are sending me?
I'm already at the 4.
You're already at 4. So basically, you clear. Oh, you're clearing 7 and 10 from the third picture, right?
Yeah.
Let me just check for a while. Your answer. Just see. Yeah. Yeah, okay, sure. Okay. Again, for 7.3, I will probably say just for safety in presentation, write down G equals to lah.
Wait, sorry.
G equals to that answer, for 7 part 3. Right. Again, just for presentation purpose, just to be very safe. No, 7.3. 7.3. 7.3. 7.3.
7.3.
Yeah, G equals to that.
Equals.
Yeah, just for presentation purposes. And then I believe for the part 4, I think, let me see for a while. No, never mind. No comment. Sorry, no comment. Then question 10. Oh, what? Oh, right. Oh, right. No, you're correct. Of course, you're correct. So yeah, of course you're correct. Hey, no. So, no, you are correct. No. What? Oh no, that's fine. I think you are fine for question 10. I think you're fine. Okay, so no problem. You spelled divisible wrongly. You spelled divisible wrongly below. After 10, you spelled the word divisible wrong. Again, just presentation. All right, Mike. Yeah, looking good. I think that's actually great. Just control. Right. So Mike, please notice that the universe does not contain half, right? Remember?
Yeah.
So as weird as it sounds, half therefore isn't the answer for the A, because the universe does not allow it. That's the weird thing about universe. Universe determines the limit of everything. So half is correct, but half is not part of the universe. So gone, half is gone.
So
If that
wait,
makes
then what do I do with half?
So half doesn't exist. So therefore the A is smaller than that. The half part is just gone. And since it's empty, you have to shrink it. You have to shrink to basically the A is inside the below.
So do I
If
just
that makes
cancel?
In this case, the half has to be cancelled, but I believe the A has to be shrunk as a result also, if that makes sense.
Okay, so it's no longer intercept, it's now just inside.
It's inside. So it's basically like the vacuole of a cell. Basically, the A is just inside the B. I believe this is what the question is trying to teach you. The universe map.
Okay.
Ryotaro,
So,
are you okay? Yes, Mike.
so what about this repeating thing then?
Yeah, so that's the constriction that you have. No, I haven't concluded the thing. I'm still trying to find out what is the general consensus. Right? Again, I'll definitely come back to this, but please focus on the other questions. Right?
Okay.
Yeah, because the constriction doesn't seem to make sense to me at least. I must be missing something. Yeah? Ryotaro, are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
No. I
Yeah,
don't know how
so
to even start.
yeah, the way you use it is dependent on formula. It is not based on a good understanding. That's what I feel. That's what I feel. Right. So the way I draw is I draw the full sector first. So this is the. This is of course the theta, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So now the understanding goes something like this: that a sector is very easily divided into. So the sector is the pizza. I'm going to call that pizza, okay? The pizza is very easily divided into the triangle part, crust part, okay?
Yeah.
You just have to do that. Now, if you think about this as 8, this is 8 also. Please understand that this is not going to work right now. This is not going to work right now because you need the theta and you don't have the theta at all, right? In fact, you have to find the theta in another way. And that other way is very easily accomplished by focusing on the triangle. Why? Because a triangle is a very easy shape. A triangle is a much easier and earlier shape than the sector is a pizza. Okay? I see that you do not concentrate on the triangle at all. You do not. And you are very stuck with the pizza. That's wrong. At least that's an incomplete understanding. Now, draw for me a 5 here, please. Draw for me a 5 here. Aryan, are you okay?
5?
Yeah, the 5. Where is the 5? Aryan, are you okay? Aryan, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, great. Mike, are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't wait for me again. Do other questions. Good, Ryotaro. For some reason, you choose the 5 to be here. So again, your 5 is in the crust. That's great. How does the 5 inform you on anything about?
Sorry, how does the 5?
The 5 is on the crust. Totally agree with you. Okay, totally agree with you.
Yeah. Okay.
How does that 5, which is in the crust, inform you about something about the triangle? That's what you're missing. In your mind, the 5 does not inform you anything about the triangle right now, correct?
Yeah.
You have to solve that problem. It's a big problem, but it's very easily solved. I'll give you a hint. Just tell me very clearly, what is 8 in this case? The 8 is the what?
Radius.
I totally agree with you. Is that enough hint?
Okay, let me think.
Yeah. Think about the radius and the 5. Think about the radius, the 5, and the triangle. Think about all those things. Noah, you're okay so far?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Mike, you're in question 9, right? Okay.
Yeah. So C means it's a subset of something, right?
Yeah, something basically smaller than the other guy lah. So X is like smaller and inside
Hey,
the Y.
can I like,
Inside the
so it's something like this, and it's like,
something
it's not
like that.
something like this.
It's not, but it is like something like
So
something. Like,
X is smaller than Y because the C is facing like this.
yeah,
So
yeah. The mouth matters. The mouth matters. Now, to make it very complete, what you draw just now, the one when I say shrink the, remember shrink the A.
Shrink the A, yeah.
Remember? Look at the A. Show me the A, Wawa. Show me the A, which you shrunk just now in question 7, I think.
A.
Yeah, show me the A which you shrunk in 7. Okay, show me clearly. Show me clearly. Great. So in this situation, I want you to be very clear, Mike. A is subset of B. This is how it looks like. That's precisely how it looks like. Whereas when in the original one, A overlaps B, right? Now A is therefore not a subset of B because it only overlaps, if you understand what I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Right. So this is what it looks like, a subset of B. Continue. Ryotaro, are you okay? Ryotaro?
No,
Okay.
I can't think. I don't.
Right. Again, visually, look at this is my last hint that I can give you. This is a radius, right? Right. This is also a radius. Is this two the only radiuses? Radii, sorry. Is this two the only radius or radii?
But isn't the pizza after you minus the triangle, isn't that like not semicircle?
One more time. Let's talk about the pizza. Okay, let's talk about the pizza. Because the 5 is in the crust, so we have to mention pizza also. Although we should be focusing on the triangle, we have to make every effort to talk about the triangle. But the 5 is on the pizza and on the crust. My question is, look at this pizza. Is this 2 line the only radiuses?
The 5 also.
The 5 is not a radius. Please, the radius is 8, right? The 5 is not.
Okay.
Oh dear. Look at this circle. Look at this circle, right? This is a circle, right? That's the original shape before we cut it into a pizza. This is a radius and this is a radius. Now look at this circle one more time. Are these the only radiuses? Yes or no?
You mean
that is a radius or not?
The black line, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Just to be clear, all these are radiuses, right? All these are radiuses, including the black line. Enough hint?
Okay, I'll think about it.
The triangle, the triangle. Aryan, are you okay? Because we have to end soon, right? Are you okay?
Is in prime number is negative numbers included?
Tell me which question, because I cannot see your working very well. It's basically covered. Question 3, you're talking about the A and B, A inside B. And no. Which question 3 are we talking?
Question 3 on the fourth.
Okay. I haven't seen that. Okay, right. So let me just put that. Sorry. Tell me your question one more time.
Question 3C, like, is a negative number also a prime number?
No, prime numbers don't have negative. I guess that's the rule, I suppose. That's the rule.
Guys, so question 9 just says draw a Venn diagram to represent two sets. Do I need to like
X and
make up
Y.
my own numbers for the sets or?
No, you don't even have to make any member. Just have to draw it in a way that I agree with you totally.
Oh,
I agree with you totally that that's the drawing and that's it. Look. Right, you don't have to draw the members. Last questions. Huh? So Noah, last questions.
No more.
Okay, understand. Right.
how do I draw B is subset of A prime?
I'm sorry, are you at question 10? Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So very interesting. So you have A and B is a subset of A prime. So it's very weird. I agree. You have to. Oh, I totally know how to draw it lah. So could you just experiment for 1 minute? Just 1 minute before I give you some hints. Right. We have to answer now, but yeah. This is where the set and the Venn diagram comes into full picture. This is a set question. You have to be able to imagine the options. I suggest that you use pencil first. In case you are very, I guess unless you're very certain. Ryotaro, are you still stuck?
Kak,
Yes, no.
I have to go already. My phone 2%.
Yeah, understand. Will you continue?
Yeah, for a while.
Okay.
Only.
All right. Go ahead.
Okay.
See you on Sunday. Bye.
Okay, bye Kak.
Ryotaro, are you stuck?
So I give up. I cannot think already. Too tired.
Yeah. So what is happening? You are very tired, right?
Yeah.
I think that's because Thursday is your very tiring day. Am I correct?
Yeah. Plus, next week, I just realized it's the start of exam again.
Tell me what that means.
Just
Tell
after
me.
I finish. Like
Tell me what that
WA1.
means. Yeah, tell me what that means. What kind of exam?
Oh, you mean next week?
Yeah.
Yeah, this EMath, geography, what else? Probably social studies as well.
Yeah, I don't like your school. Can you change school? Like right now? Can you change school?
No.
No, you cannot.
Else-
Cannot change school. Right. Maybe you can. I don't like your school. I don't like your school. At this point, I don't like your school at all. You're going to rest, okay? You understand? You're going to rest on Friday night, Saturday, and then Sunday morning. Same thing. Don't care. That's an order. You rest. You're useless. And that's not your fault. You understand? Ryotaro,
Yeah,
you understand?
yeah.
Can
yeah.
you rest? Can you rest?
Okay.
You have to let go. This is just a small exam. Who cares? You will still prepare for it. Your energy is limited, not your time. Time is never the problem. Energy is the problem. Your energy is limited. It will start only after Sunday lunch. You shall not fret. You shall not worry. You shall recharge your. Now, have you received any result from the math, physics, and chem paper?
Not my results, but I heard from other class bad news.
Which is, yeah, but no, your result. Your result.
Oh no! I didn't get any paper back yet. No.
Tomorrow also not getting any tomorrow.
I might get A math back tomorrow.
If you get your A math result tomorrow at school, on Friday night tomorrow, are you going somewhere with your family? Like, have a nice dinner or something? No. Saturday,
yes. Dinner.
okay.
Nice dinner.
Celebrate nicely on Saturday, referring to your, what you have done, the effort that you have put in, and the growth that is obviously there. You celebrate those. If there is a result, then you can celebrate the result also. If there is no result, that is not an excuse to not celebrate. There are many things to celebrate. Okay, I want you to close that chapter first before you continue to the next competition. This is very important. Okay, you know what happens, right? When people go to competition after competition with no proper break in between, right? You know what happens, right?
Yeah.
You're not going to do that. you're going to have a proper celebration and a proper break. Okay? Understand? Okay?
Yeah.
If anybody is to
Yeah.
disagree, including yourself, you're going to talk to me, or that person is going to talk to me.
Okay.
Understand? If you are disagreeing with the arm, or the demon or the ghost, whatever, talk to me.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for this last thing, I'll just tell you. This is 8, right? So this is 3, look. Okay.
Which is 8, sorry.
This is 8, radius. So this is
yeah.
3, look. This is 3, look. And this 3 talks about the
Oh,
triangle, the very good way. The height, lah. The height. It talks about the height of the triangle, which means this is 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Now, all that thing can be used to find the AOB, definitely. Okay. If you want to continue,
no,
you
I
can
found
settle
the
that.
3, but I thought there was like no purpose. So
Which is
I
very
just,
weird
like,
of you. Look. Maybe you're tired. Understand? You don't even see the usefulness of something which is, there is no other way to explain. It's obviously useful. You don't see it, you must be tired. Your sense of right and wrong and good and bad is just gone.
Yeah.
You have to recharge, and you simply have to do those things. Understand? If you're disagreeing with yourself, or if somebody's disagreeing, just please call me. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, if it is you, I will scold you. Very easy, man. If it's somebody else, I'll talk nicely and explain nicely. Okay?
Okay.
See you on Monday.
Monday.
Sunday.
Is it Sunday?
See you on Sunday. Sorry, see you on Sunday. My mistake.
Okay,
Right.
okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Any last question from Michael and Ari?
The same element thing.
Right. So sorry, I forgot. Let me settle Aryan first. I'm so sorry. Aryan, thank you for waiting. Sorry, yeah. Aryan, what was your question? Sorry, yeah.
I had no question.
I settled your last question. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I settled it. It's a prime question thingy.
Yeah.
I'll just check. I'll just do a check. Don't mind. Let me see the answer to question 3. Yeah. Well, complement. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Nice. Okay, sure. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. And C? How about C? I don't see any C. I'm not seeing any C. I cannot see it. It's covered. I don't see. Go up. Go up. Go up. Yeah, okay. Nice. Nice. Okay, this is a simple practice, so I'm glad that you are doing it right now. Okay, no questions, Aryan?
Yeah.
Friday night, Saturday, Sunday morning, what do you do?
Not study.
Yeah, but what can't you do besides studying?
That's studying.
You cannot study, but you also cannot sacrifice your rest or your sleep.
Yeah.
Right? So I want you to, on Sunday, be very, very, very fresh and recharged. Okay?
Yeah.
See you on Sunday night. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Yes, Mike. So the question, right? So let me see your drawing. I cannot see the drawing properly. It's blocked. It's blocked. The right side is cut. Go to the left. Go to the left.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, okay. So you're saying that this is the picture. I'm very interested in this. Do you think your answer is right or wrong?
No idea.
Okay, let me just assure you whether it's right or wrong by doing something. So what you draw is this, right? What you draw is this is A and this is B. That's what you draw, right? I'm so sorry, that's wrong. This is what you draw, right? Okay,
yeah.
so I'm going to shape complement A. Sorry, we call it A complement. I'm going to shape A complement. Now, please think carefully. Did I shade the correct thing? That is A complement.
Yeah.
Again, are you sure? A complement means all things outside A within the universe.
Yeah.
Correct, yeah? I shade correctly, yeah? So not bluffing you. If I shade it like that, do you think your B is a subset of A complement?
Yeah.
Unless both of us are missing something, I think you are correct. Understand?
Yeah.
So you can answer the B question, really. The I and B have common elements. Probably not. Lah.
Huh? What?
10B, 10B. You can answer 10B, man.
Oh, I thought 5C.
5C, 10B, 10B, no, 10B. You can answer 10B, no, okay, right. No, sorry.
No, but
what other question you have? Last question.
the 5C like this.
What 5C? No, I have to check it out. I have to check about something. Let me check and then get okay.
The final question is just
14. Did you send me a picture? Sorry.
40 elements. Let me just slide.
Did you send me a picture on 14? I cannot see that. Okay, let me copy that. Here, I got it.
But just one more, but like, I think I can do it by myself. So.
Sure, no problem. Tell me what's question 14 about. What's your problem?
Also, A and B. Okay, so universals is still the same symbol. Then A is subset of
I cannot see.
B.
I cannot see your working. Okay,
so
you try to do
so
something.
just like example, like it's
Yeah,
not the
that's
actual.
nice. I don't mind. That's nice. I understand what you're saying. So that's definitely A as of B. That's nice. Then
is B prime a subset of A prime? No, sorry,
so
not
if
A
you
prime,
want to
B complement A subset of A
so because you want to list down, why don't you just list down B complement and A complement?
Oh,
What
but
do you
then
just
it is what A complement is equal to
is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right?
yeah.
Nice. And then A B complement is smaller than that.
Yeah.
Right. So far in your example, that seems to be true, right? The unfortunate thing is that maybe your answer is correct. There are other examples wrong. So in a sense that your example is illuminating, but maybe not an absolute answer. At least you have some idea, at least, right?
Oh,
now,
okay.
a better way to do it is the visual side of things. So we do a visual side without any member. Understand? We do a visual side without any member. I'm just going to follow what you draw up because you're drawing it already, right? So again, I'm drawing something without the member purposely to make it absolute. You understand? To make it absolute.
Yeah.
That's your B. And then, of course, that's your A. Okay? That's the universe. You'll follow your teacher. Okay? So I want you, or rather, I'll just help you because you don't have to draw. Right? I'm gonna shade the A complement. This is the A in red. A complement is yellow. Am I shading it properly?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna shade the B with blue lah. B complement. I mean, I'm gonna shade the B complement. Am I shading it properly?
Yeah.
No. Now, please focus on the shaded blue and shaded red. Look. Is the shaded blue subset of shaded A?
Is yeah.
This is more absolute than your example, if that makes sense.
Yeah. So is shading like a legitimate method or?
Oh, as you can tell in your exam, in your textbook, we will go there soon enough. It turns out it's the next step, right?
No, we already went there, but then I thought it was just to illustrate. Like
it becomes a very, I would say powerful, but it is the main tool in Venn diagram. I would probably say something that you need to master and be comfortable with. That's why I've been using it for some time. Most people don't
use
master
like colored pens.
You can't, but you should. Do you understand? for the purpose of your working, if you use the same color, it's extremely confusing visually.
Yeah.
You're supposed to see things visually, and yet the visual is confusing. That's very bad for working purposes. So for presentation purposes, if you can use both blue and black, you can, I think, formally.
Yeah.
You should at least try to use blue and black.
Okay.
Right. So making it a different color, I think matters a lot in visual representations. We are supposed to see it visually. We must not make it confusing. We must make it clear. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Right. So please do that as a practice and you'll be happy.
I already did that. Like,
Yep. As in, you have to master the way to present it visually to yourself. You have to, right? You're doing fine for now. Right? So please shade, even though the question did ask you to do it last. So okay, that's great. So you should be doing it. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 should disappear, by the way, because although it's illuminative, it is not how to say it is not you're shading much better. It is not absolute. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, looking good to me. I'm not sure whether red is allowed, but for now, I'll close my eyes. Don't care for that.
Yeah. But this
Okay,
not
so-
for the actual paper. I'm like redoing it on a fresh piece of foolscap.
Sounds like a new mic to me, right? So is the new mic lasting well? You say that maybe only.
Huh?
You say that, maybe the new mic, which I've been, very enthusiastic in meeting, even though I scold you, the new mic might last only for 1 month. That's your prediction.
Yeah.
So it's almost 1 month, maybe in another 10 days. Do you think the new mic will disappear and fade into oblivion?
No.
Okay, looking forward to. Now, what can't you do, new mic? What can't you do tomorrow night, Saturday, and Sunday morning?
Study.
What else can't you do?
Study.
Nonsense. You also cannot sacrifice your sleep or rest
Oh, yeah.
because your Sunday needs to be recharged.
I mean,
You
I
understand?
Don't, like,
Yes,
I don't really do that though. It's a
Sure.
weekend.
Yeah, please don't do that. Please don't.
Oh,
In
I
case you
never
haven't
do
already.
that.
Good to know. You're asking for an exception though. What was the exception for this
Saturday.
January?
Saturday.
Yeah. What's the exception?
Hey, the exception for this channel.
Yeah. You're asking for an active recall every Saturday for 1 hour. Right? You want to do that for the month of January. Right? That's not your exception. I remember wrongly.
Yeah,
It's up to
because
you,
that was mainly because I have to do a lot of holiday assignments, which I did not do.
Yeah, I hope that's the old mic. I hope so. But what are you saying?
Yeah, like let me, like,
You
I guess in a way study on Saturday, because like got some for January only, because like I got holiday assignments. But it's just like there's only a few left. Actually, just one left is just enough. That's it.
Okay, maximum 2 hours.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Okay, maximum 2 hours. After 2 hours, if you don't get it, then that's it. That's the old mic. I'll just call that the old mic's fault. Okay?
Yeah.
Like the way you don't finish the AMAT assignment, you did finish some, I think substantially, but you didn't finish all.
Yeah.
Okay, you accept them. Same thing with EMAT. You have a time limit, which is basically more like an energy limit.
She
2
forgot
hours. She what?
She forgot to collect it, so I still have it.
Yeah, don't mix too much of the old mic's problem with the new mic. Again, I want your energy to be super fresh.
No,
I need
my
to.
AMF teacher forgot to collect the assignment, so I still have it.
I'm gonna pretend I don't hear that. Again, remember to rest and recharge. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Do some, but remember to rest and recharge. Okay, Mike.
Yeah.
See you on Sunday night. Bye.
Okay. Cool. I got.